In this video, I will demonstrate how to install a WordPress plugin from a zip file. And for the purpose of this example, we'll be installing Jetpack security plugin. So let's go ahead and click on it. And then in the plugin section, you'll notice there's a download button. So go ahead and download the plugin. It will come in .zip format. And it's almost finished. Yep, it's done. So now let's go to WordPress dashboard and then hover on the plugins and then click add new and then click upload plugin. And what you can do is just simply either click browse and then find a plugin on your computer, or you can just drag and drop like this. And then as you can see, it's Jetpack 11.8.zip. So let's click install now. It shouldn't take more than a few seconds. And the plugin has been installed. So right now we can just go ahead and activate it. And that's it. The plugin is available. It's right here. So I hope you found this tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.